Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about how to attempt GATE 2024 question paper. GATE Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering is just round the corner. I hope आप सबकी preparations अच्छे से चल रही होगी. फिलहाल you all must be running through numerous mock tests and previous year question papers. इसलिए आपके प्रिपरेशन में थोड़ी सी और वैल्यू ऐड करने के लिए वी आर आउट विद अवर ब्रांड न्यू वीडियो, जहाँ पे हम कुछ टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स शेयर करेंगे अबाउट हाउ टू अटेम्प्ट द गेट क्वेश्चन पेपर. आज की इस वीडियो में हम स्पेसिफिकली बात करेंगे अबाउट हाउ यू कैन अटेम्प्ट द गेट क्वेश्चन पेपर with maximum accuracy to score good marks. The exam is conducted online for a duration of 3 hours, which is 180 minutes. With the total of 100 marks, paper includes 65 questions and there is no sectional time limit. There are 3 types of questions will be asked in GATE question paper. These include multiple choice question, multiple select questions and numerical answer type questions. It is mainly divided into the journal aptitude section and core discipline. The journal aptitude section in GATE exam carries a weightage of 10 questions for 15 marks, while the remaining 55 questions for 85 marks. 85 marks are the core discipline and related topics. For every correct answer, you will get 1 or 2 marks. There is no negative marking in NAT and MSQ questions. However, each incorrect answer to MCQ will lead to a deduction in marks. For 1 mark MCQs, 1/3 marks will be deducted for a wrong answer. For 2 mark MCQ, 2/3 mark will be deducted for a wrong answer. Here are some few strategical tips that will definitely help you attempt the paper with more accuracy and correctness. Tip 1. Always attempt your mock test in the same format you will be attempting in the final exam. Students are also advised to start with sections in which they are good. For example, if your journal aptitude section is well prepared, then you should start your paper from that section. In journal aptitude, there will be 10 questions, and if you are able to answer 6 to 7 questions with the 100% accuracy, then you can score around 9 to 10 marks. This will boost your confidence and will set you in the right mood for upcoming sections. Tip 2. Start solving the 1 mark question first. Don't attempt the lengthy ones which might take more than 1 minute. Mark them for review. Tip 3. For 2 mark questions, only attempt the ones for which you are 100% sure. Skip the lengthy questions for review. ट्राई करिए कि आप 90 या 100 मिनट्स में क्वेश्चन पेपर की एंड में तो पहुंच ही जाओ. In this 90 minutes, you will get an idea of the difficulty level of the exam. Tip 4. Attempt your paper in such a way that you are left with considerable time for out for range questions. Tip 5. Do not panic, be confident. Now let's discuss about tips and tricks for GATE 2024 exam day. First, you need to go through your GATE question paper for 5 minutes and try to get an idea about the question based on the direct formula, so that you won't skip any direct questions. Try to relate the questions with the questions that you had solved in the mock test, so that you can use the right methods to reach the answers. Scanning the paper will also improve your decision making. Then solve the question marked for review. After completing the count of 65 questions, come back to the questions that you are holding for review. Go through those questions and first pick the ones for which you are sure that you won't waste time. Tip 3. The rank changer trick. Let us consider that the questions for which you were sure took 60 minutes and another 60 minutes were consumed by the questions held for review, and you are left with 60 minutes. Then how will you going to utilize these remaining minutes could affect your rank. For example, if you are left with some of the NAT type questions which carry 1 or 2 marks and no negative marking will be there for answering NAT questions, therefore whether your answer is approximate or you are not sure, you should attempt that questions. Let's check the GATE 2024 preparation tips from toppers and experts. First, you should know the GATE 2024 and build your concept. You should know your enemy and know yourself, then you can fight 100 battles without disaster. GATE 2024 can be compared to war for those candidates who are currently preparing for the examination, as rightly pointed out by the quote. It is important for you to know everything about your enemy, that is the examination, to win this battle. While preparing for the syllabus of GATE 2024, try to strengthen the basic fundamental concept of each topic. Knowing the basic concept of these topics involved in the examination will give you a foundation, and the topic will become easier to understand and remember. This understanding will result in remembering the concept well during the examination. Prepare and plan for better results and manage your time. One of the most important tasks to fulfill before commencing the preparation process for GATE 2024 is to plan. Creating a schedule and dividing the syllabus accordingly will help you plan out your studies. According to your timetable, divide which chapters and topics you want to spend more time on and which require less of your time. Keep changing the topics after every few hours of study to keep the studies from being monotonous. Try to finish the syllabus well before the examination date to keep time for revision. Make sure to add short breaks in between. The duration of the examination is 3 hours, during which you will have to solve 65 multiple choice and numerical answer type questions. Learning to manage time between the different sections will ensure that you finish the examination well before time, which leaves room for rechecking of answers. While practicing sample papers, keep a timer nearby to check your time management skills. Keep solving mock tests and sample papers and analyze your performance. One of the best methods to prepare for the GATE 2024 exam is solving mock tests and sample papers. During the preparation time, it is most important to constantly solve the previous year question papers, sample papers and mock tests. What is the importance of solving these tests and papers? By solving these, you will be able to practically apply the theories and concepts that you have studied till now. Be sure to keep a timer nearby to check how much time is required to solve the paper. You should regularly analyze your performance. This will let you know how much of the syllabus has been covered and how much more is left. Analyzing your performance will also let you know all the mistakes committed during the mock test. The wrong answers can be revised and studied to the correct the concept studied. Take short breaks. Regular studying pattern is the most important during the preparation process of GATE 2024. However, along with the long hours of study, it is equally important to take short sweet breaks for relaxation and refreshment. Taking short breaks helps in relaxing and refreshing the mind for later study. Take a walk, listen to music, read a book, or just sleep. You can do whatever you want to do during this small break. But after the end of the break, get back to your study with a fresh mind and full concentration. Revise and make short notes. Revision of everything that has been studied is one of the most important preparation tips. After completing a section of concept and theories, you should revise thoroughly, as this will help freshen up your mind. A small notepad should also be kept to write down those formulas or concepts with which you are having a hard time. Using the small accessible notepad, you will be able to revise those particular concepts anytime and anywhere. Now, let's discuss how to attempt GATE 2024 paper. First, you need to hit the sign in button and you will land on the GATE mock test upon logging in. This is the instruction page where you will get all the information related to how to attempt GATE question paper. Once you have logged in, the journal instructions window will open with all the important instructions to be read carefully and implemented. You will have a clock set at the server. The countdown timer on the screen will show you the remaining time to complete the exam. When the timer reaches 0, the examination will end by itself. After that, click on I am ready to begin option. Here you will find the screen of questions. You can switch between any question at any point of time in the paper. You can also attempt any section of the paper first. The up and down arrows on the top right of the question can be used to navigate on the top and bottom of the questions without scrolling. After completing the test, you can click on submit option. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.